or jalapenos right on top. And if you like a little bit of radishes, all good. As well as a little bit of cotija, if you so choose. And if you want a pico, you can do that as well. A little pico de gallo on top, never hurt anybody. And there you go. You have tacos de carne asada done, Aaron Sanchez style, like beautiful and delicious. Cooked right in front of you guys, very simply. We made guacamole, we made a beautiful margarita, no big deal. I think hopefully this will inspire you guys to connect with your roots in El Paso, support the Jewish Federation, and cook all the wonderful foods that is inherent to our town of El Paso. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this and learned. I'm here to answer questions if you so choose. Please let me know. Look. Well, that's good. What you're looking for, so what you're looking for is if the meat has a particular fiber, right, and it's running north to south, you just cut west or east to west, you know what I'm saying? Just go against the grain. You know what I mean? So just follow that. And there you should have a good way of going about it. Because that process helps tenderize it in a weird way. It's just the fiber of the meat. I always use kosher meat if I can, and it's up to you how to season it, okay? And I think that would be the best piece of advice. To find the meat that you feel comfortable with, and then you can choose your seasoning to your own. Mm-hmm. What was kosher salt? Why is it important? Because it's kosher, but also you can feel the grains in your fingers. If you use iodized salt or something that's very soft in texture, so when I'm seasoning, and our cooks are seasoning, our chefs, you can feel the grains in your fingers, so you can have a better determination of how you're seasoning meat. I'm sorry? Oh yeah, sea salt, yeah. But sea salt is very difficult to break down because it's very dense. So you would use sea salt in a long cooking process. For instance, I would use sea salt in a chowder because I know over time it will break down. You know what I mean? I mean, do you really, if you put sea salt on a piece of fish, if you're going to eat it, you're going to get a big lump of salt. Do you really want that or no? I mean, I don't. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Absolutely. I've been asked to do the commencement speech at the community college, and we just couldn't make it work with the pandemic. But I would definitely love to do that. Absolutely. Education is key. So just tell me when to go, and I'll be there. Absolutely. Absolutely. All you have to do is count on me. I'm very easy to get.